Hello, สวัสดีครับ I will be your cave guide today. And does anyone have fear of water or of swimming?
I'm not afraid of the water, just what might be in it. Wow.
This is Devil's Mouth. We are guests here.
Jeez. Oh, all these fish are dead.
What happened?
There's so much blood.
Everything's fine. Just
Okay, we need to leave now.
We are leaving.
Shark.
I'm sorry. How is there a shark in a freshwater cave system? No, 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 no! We're trapped.
no one's coming for us.
What are you doing?
Trust me.
Come and get me, motherfucker.